In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up your Hostinger email account in Apple Mail. Whether you're new to using Apple Mail or just need a bit of guidance with these settings, I'm here to guide you step by step through the process. First, let's begin by opening Apple Mail on your computer. Once you've got that running, look toward the top left corner of your screen. There, you'll see the Add Account option. Click on that, and a new window will pop up with a series of choices for different email providers. Apple Mail supports a variety of accounts by default, but what we're interested in is the option labeled Other Mail Account. Go ahead and select this. Now the next step is simple. You'll need to enter your Hostinger email address and the corresponding password in the provided fields. This information not only helps Mail understand which account you want to add, but also ensures that your messages, folders, and other data are securely synced from Hostinger to Apple's servers. It's crucial to double check the email and password you enter to ensure they're accurate, as any typos here could prevent the setup from succeeding. With those details entered, you'll move on to configuring the incoming mail server settings. This step might sound a bit technical, but don't worry, all you need to do is enter the following: imapphostinger.com. This address lets Apple Mail know where to fetch your incoming emails from. If you're wondering why it's not a simple URL, it's because IMAP helps to keep your email data synchronized across multiple devices. This ensures that when you read or delete an email on one device, those changes reflect everywhere else you access your email. Next, we'll focus on the outgoing mail server details. This part governs how your emails are sent. You'll need to enter smtp.hostinger.com as the server for outgoing mail. Again, precision matters here. The SMTP in the address stands for Simple Mail Transfer Protocol, and it's responsible for pushing your emails out to their recipients. After you've input all of this information, remember to save the settings before moving on. Saving ensures that the configurations you've entered aren't lost and that everything can sync properly. Once saved, Apple Mail will initiate the synchronization process, linking your Hostinger account to the Apple Mail application. During this sync, the Mail app will download any emails from your inbox and folders, making them accessible from your desktop or MacBook. And that's it! You should now see your Hostinger email account listed among any other accounts you've previously added. Messages should start showing up in your inbox shortly, making it easy for you to stay on top of your communications. If you encounter any issues, double check the server settings and credentials, as those are the most common points of error. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful.